Ate Chewy Labrador.
How old are you? How old are you? Kendall, how old are you? Kendall,
Hmm?
how old is Lulu?
92.
How old are you, yeah?
2.
What's your favorite drink?
Milk.
What's your favorite food?
Chicken.
Okay. Oh, who's your best friend? Ow, you're pulling my hair.
No.
Who's your best friend?
Bonnie.
What's your favorite shape?
A second.
What's your favorite animal?
Bell.
Favorite Disney princess?
Bell.
Okay. Who's your... Wait. What's your favorite color?
Pink.
Oh, you're gonna fall down.
We go out.
Kendall! Kendall, what's the name of your mama?
Herman.
What's the name of your papa? What's the name of your papa? Richie, what is your... Wait.
No. Where?
Where do you live?
Like you.
Country home. Do you want papa to buy you?
Okay.
You want to go to school?
No.
No?